How to log in to SolidWorks account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your SolidWorks account. In order to do so, first of all, ensure that you have already created an account on it. Once you've done that, then open any web browser on your device first and in the search bar type in solidworks.com. Now press and enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of SolidWorks. Once you reach to this interface, at the top right of your screen, you'll be able to locate this profile icon. Click on this human-like icon at the top right corner of your screen and then you will be taken to a new interface. Here, you will need to enter your email address or the username of your account. After that, you will need to click on this continue button. Also, if you haven't created an account yet, then you may also click on this create your account link just below this continue button, and from there you will need to fill in the details in order to create an account on it. Since I have already created my account, so I am entering the email address in this text box. Now after that, click on this continue button. Now you will be prompted to enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. You may also click on this I button at the right side of it in order to reveal your password and check if it is entered correctly or not. Also, if you want your login credentials to be remembered for future logins, then you may also click on this checkbox that says Remember Me. Once you click on it, a blue tick mark will appear. After that, simply click on this login button right here in order to log into your account. If in case you don't remember your password, you may also click on this Forget Your Password link at the very bottom, and from there you will need to follow the instructions given to you to recover or reset your password. Once after recovering your password, enter the new password in the password text box and then click on this login button right here. By doing so, now you will be able to log in to your SolidWorks account. You'll be able to see your profile icon and profile name at the top right corner of your screen. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your SolidWorks account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.